Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Vision, your go-to channel for the latest in heavy machinery and automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking addition to the construction and mining industry, the 2025 Caterpillar D15 Bulldozer. The Caterpillar D15 represents a significant leap forward in earth-moving technology. Designed to tackle the most demanding tasks, this machine combines unparalleled power with cutting-edge precision, setting new standards for performance and efficiency. At the heart of the D15 is a robust engine that delivers exceptional horsepower, ensuring the bulldozer can handle heavy-duty operations with ease. This power is complemented by an advanced hydraulic system, providing operators with precise control over the blade and ripper functions, which is crucial for tasks requiring meticulous grading and excavation. One of the standout features of the D15 is its state-of-the-art operator cabin. Caterpillar has prioritized operator comfort and safety by incorporating an ergonomic design, climate control, and intuitive controls. The cabin also boasts advanced noise reduction technology, allowing operators to work longer hours with minimal fatigue. In terms of technology, the D15 is equipped with the latest in GPS and terrain mapping systems. These features enable automated blade control, enhancing accuracy and reducing the time required to complete complex tasks. Additionally, real-time diagnostics and telematics allow for proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime and extending the machine's operational life. Durability is a hallmark of Caterpillar equipment, and the D15 is no exception. Constructed with high-grade materials and reinforced components, this bulldozer is built to withstand the harshest environments. Its undercarriage has been engineered for extended wear life, reducing the frequency of replacements and maintenance. Fuel efficiency is another area where the D15 excels. Despite its immense power, the machine has been designed to optimize fuel consumption, making it both cost-effective and environmentally friendly. This efficiency is achieved through a combination of engine innovations and aerodynamic design elements that reduce drag and improve overall performance. The versatility of the D15 makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether it's large-scale mining operations, road construction, or land development, this bulldozer is equipped to handle it all. Its customizable attachments and modular design allow operators to adapt the machine to specific project requirements seamlessly. Safety has been a paramount consideration in the D15's design. Features such as 360-degree cameras, proximity sensors, and automated shutdown systems work in unison to protect both the operator and the worksite. These technologies not only prevent accidents but also enhance operational efficiency by allowing operators to focus on the task at hand. In summary, the 2025 Caterpillar D15 Bulldozer is a testament to Caterpillar's commitment to innovation and excellence in heavy machinery. Its combination of power, precision, and advanced technology makes it a formidable asset in any construction or mining project. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth look at the Caterpillar D15. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to Auto Vision for more insights into the latest advancements in heavy machinery and automotive technology. Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead.